To change the installer code in Triga Farenhyt, first you have to log in. Press the right arrow, log in, enter. You go to user, down arrow. You go to installer number 2, enter. Enter the code, 7 digits. Okay, so you go to network programming. So you go to network programming and you go to access code. Okay, you will ask to enter the new password to access code to the installer and confirm and save the changes. Whatever your new password applied, it will be in effect and effective. So again, you go to login, you go to user, you go to the installer and enter your code, 7 digits for invalid code. And then you go to network programming, okay, and then you go to access code. So this is the way you change the installer code, multi-installer, and admin. So after changing, you go to left arrow and save it, and it will be effective whatever your new password applied. Thank you very much. Okay.